Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man and I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload, check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game let's plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, and Discord. So today we are trying the Smartfood Doritos Nacho Cheese Popcorn. Now this was procured for me by my friend Larry, so thanks again Larry. Now, I'm more of a Cool Ranch Doritos guy, but from time to time I like the nacho cheese ones, so let's see how these are. Hopefully they're good. So they have the signature orangey color of nacho cheese Doritos. Not bad. Needless to say, they taste good. It's a little weird, though, having the nacho flavor, the nacho cheese flavor of the Doritos without the satisfying crunch of the Doritos. But these are good. I may pick these up again. I'm definitely curious to see if they'll ever do a Cool Ranch Doritos flavor of these. But I like them. Hope everyone did enjoy that taste test. I will be back with another one soon. This has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.